What's up guys, it's Teddy here and I'm on a yacht, as you can see, on a yacht, and I'm going to be touring the yacht. I'm going to be on here all day, so I'll start. So starting off, this is like the first part. Okay, so this is the front part. I can't change the camera around, so sorry. This is the front part of the yacht.
How is the sea? It's okay today, no?
Yeah. I'm gonna go upstairs. Actually, no, upstairs is gonna be later. No, that's not. Okay, so this is the like inside. When you come inside, this is the first part. You can see as like everything. You can see at first. Okay. This is like another little part. By here. This is my friend Anthony. Say hi. Hey. He might be driving the liner.
My name is
Yaku.
How can I charge this one here?
This is where maybe I think Yaku is gonna drive.
But there's also one up.
Oh yeah, wait, there's also one up. Yeah, we'll see upstairs too. Okay, so now we're coming to like where I'm gonna be staying just for today. Okay. So in here is one of the rooms.
Yeah, here's the bathroom.
Here's like this room. I'm not really sure where I'm staying yet.
And look.
But this is where Anthony's staying, I think.
Nah.
Bathroom. Don't know where you're
I
staying.
don't know.
This is another room, huh?
I might be staying here. What the?
Like, yeah. It's just hard to open.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is another room. It's tiny.
I
It
might
has
be
a bunk
staying
bed.
here.
I might be staying here actually.
I might be under here.
Look, okay.
It's comfortable.
Wait, do you want to both sleep here? I sleep at the top. You sleep at the bottom.
Yeah.
Bet. And okay.
But I don't think
Here
we're
is the-
riding a day. Like,
Yeah.
I think
We're riding all day though. Okay, so
Yeah.
this is like
if we
the
get
bathroom.
tired. Yeah, but there's also another kid. There's another kid, by the way.
Nope.
There's
Okay.
another kid.
Okay,
Maybe
let's-
we're supposed to put him up here.
No,
Or maybe
no.
he's.
It's
Nah, I
like a
think he's-
kid's room. He might be sleeping with
but-
like his mom.
Yeah, because he's small.
Okay,
So
now
might be
here
sleeping here.
comes the big boy, the massive room.
This is the
Like just like the
king-size
luxury
bed.
room.
yeah,
king
this is
size?
the king bed.
So this is like
What's it called? The master bed? I forgot.
the
what it's
master
called.
the master bedroom.
Yeah.
So there it
I forgot
is.
what it's called the thing. Yeah.
Yeah. What's in here?
Você saís com voi?
Look at it. Oh, just some storage.
The vacuum. Where's the vacuum?
Vacuum.
Yeah, we're not allowed to touch that.
Oh, temperature. How?
Oh, they literally got a shower.
Oh
They
my
got a
god.
shower
No
bar.
way. There's a shower in here, bro. There's a shower.
Why are you showering? Imagine
know.
they give you water from the sea. What? That would be.
It probably does. They probably do take it from a sea, filter it, and clean it up. And
Yeah, filter. Then I
Okay.
can benefit.
This is. Hey, brother.
Nah, he's my friend.
So this is Anthony's friend. What's your name? Okay, he doesn't like to talk. He's talking Romanian. Okay.
Wait.
Let's see down. Let's see down here. What's this?
Nah, that doesn't open. I don't think.
Oh, it's probably the motor room. Or something.
Yeah, or something.
Okay.
Like
So
storage room,
now,
I don't know.
guys, we're gonna go upstairs to see what's upstairs. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. This table, guys, it opens up as a bigger table.
But and look, you can see the front one.
It would be sick if wait, you're allowed up here.
I don't know.
Let's just quickly go up there
Yeah,
before
but
any. Oh shit.
we're not allowed to go up there.
Yeah.
Like in the
That's the front. I'm gonna go there with my parents because we're not allowed.
Mine too.
Oh yeah, this is the kitchen.
I'm telling
Okay. Let's go upstairs
Oh
now.
my god, they have a TV?
Yeah, they
Why do they have one TV but many remotes?
probably remotes for different things. Okay. Now we're gonna head upstairs and see. Okay, going upstairs.
Au adus lăzile cu bere aici.
Okay,
Păi da.
this
Ca
is
să nu mai
top
facem atâta
part.
mișcare.
Oliver are chilling here.
Să faci un video tău?
Here's the DJ.
Hai să trăiți. Nu faci live,
My daddy.
No, no pot. And this is like another control area.
Hey, no, don't touch.
Don't touch anything there.
He's my daddy.
Da, zis DJ.
My daddy. My daddy, the DJ.
Oh, the music has started. Hey, hey,
What is this on that? A sink.
hey.
We have a sink
The
upstairs.
music is about to start. So as we are, yep, we're in Dubai. That is out there.
Oh my god.
Și cu ce te știi?
I don't know what this is.
Bag acolo, nu le mai dă la.
Ia, ceva frumos. Băi, ăștia...
I'm gonna go out.
There's a little stove.
Ooh, there's like a stove. Now,
Chicken nuggets.
let's see. Now we're gonna go downstairs and
You sit to one place, go to move, okay?
oh yeah, we're gonna go downstairs and sit down. We're gonna sit downstairs. Okay, good. Chloe, pass. I'm gonna go downstairs and sit. Yeah.
Andreea!
Okay. Hello. I'm gonna go downstairs.
Excuse me, please, one side, please sit.
Antoni, zi lui mami că într-unul dunghios are în buzunar, am un scoci, îmi trebuie scoci.
Okay.
Dacă n-am voie să merg sus și jos.
Hai, nu mă trebuie să stăm jos că pleacă barca.
Tati, ai zis că trebuie să stau jos că pleacă barca.
Du-te sus.
Okay, let's go to the driver and we're like.
Which bag?
Maybe scotch.
Okay.
No touching here, okay?
No, we're just gonna sit by there. Yeah. So as you can see, we have some
Gata,
food by
l-am
there.
găsit.
We have some food by there. That's Anthony's mum. Mhm. Okay, so this is it so far. Yeah. I'm gonna continue filming when we actually get onto the trip, start moving, and see you then. Okay, so we came upstairs and we left. So yeah,
Why is the grass broken?
but we gotta sit down.
The grass is broken there.
So
There's
it's
water
really
here.
cool here.
There's water. There's water. What if we go sinking down like the Titanic?
We won't go sinking down like the Titanic, bro.
Imagine.
We will not go sinking down like the Titanic,
People
bro.
are mating in that
Are you
boat.
out of your mind?
I think
Guys,
people
bro's
are
saying,
mating.
this kid over here, he's saying that what if we go sinking down like the Titanic?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What if we go?
What if we do? We have life things. I don't know, like,
Yeah.
Is that a fishing rod? Guys, I think that might be a fishing rod down there. Oh no, that's the anchor. Yeah. So, we're going to just be talking just for a bit now. Just like talking around. And as I said earlier, we're going to be on here all day. So, yeah. So right now, the city is looking absolutely sick. Look at that.
The view is absolutely gorgeous. Well, what's that wet thing? There's a wet thing.
Băieți, am o singură
There's a wet
rugăminte.
thing right there.
Să nu punem băutura pe ăsta,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
să
the
la,
background.
așa ca să nu ne oprim muzica. Să ne oprim petrecerea.
Le chinuie să o consumăm.
Yeah, okay, so
Bine, știu, după 2 ore
we
de
are
toată
Romanian,
lumea.
so we are talking in Romanian.
Yeah.
Eu v-am zis să
So,
mergem.
I'll put my,
Ce faci?
Look at them. They have a thing.
my dad's by here. Yeah. So I'm gonna put my
Opener, no,
my
we
feet
don't
by
have. We
here.
have opener, take it. Shukran.
Hopefully it doesn't fall. Okay, so come here. Come here so we can both see each other. Okay, a bit on this side.
It's kind of sunny.
One. It's not sunny. Okay, so
Yeah, the
we'll
wind
just
is
be
coming in
talking.
my eyes.
We'll just be talking about like how it is here. He, by the way, lives here. So
I live in JV too. JV actually. I also live in Romania. I come in the weekends and I live a different place. I don't know how it's called in English.
if I see any other like cool stuff, really, I'll show you guys.
What's that? Hey, and the sun is coming from my eyes.
Hey, look, we're both filming.
It is sunny.
Oh, the sun's gonna come. Sun's gonna come. Sun's gonna come.
What if it falls?
If it starts to like tip over, I'll grab it quickly.
Yeah. What happened to the finger?
You guys might not hear us.
Sunny. It's very sunny.
We might go downstairs instead. It's quite loud. What's that? Hey, we came downstairs because it was like getting so noisy upstairs.
The women, the dresses of the women are kind of blowing, so yeah, we don't want to see it.
Yo, what the hell?
I don't want to see anything appropriate from the women's dresses. Imagine
Yeah.
driving.
So
Keep up on
we're gonna like right now. Yeah, look at that Ferris wheel. It's like the London. Wait, that looks exactly like the London Eye.
Oh
I
yeah.
think they copied the London Eye.
I don't know. That's Dubai fair. Actually, that doesn't actually work.
Then how is it?
Yeah. No, I don't know why it doesn't work. I think
No,
like
it does.
before it works. No, that one doesn't work.
What like
Like before it worked, like
it's moving.
no, it's not actually.
Yeah, it is.
moving. It's an illusion.
It's not in the loop.
No, it's our boat because it's moving. That thing is moving. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it might be that.
That doesn't actually work.
Oh.
But a period when I think I was like 4 or 2, it actually worked, but now it doesn't work anymore.
No, I
don't know
I
what
swear
happened
it's
to it.
working. Is it the boat?
I
No,
mean-
it is working.
After a couple years or 1 year, they're gonna fix it and I'm gonna go. Nah.
Actually, I think it's
4
already
years,
fixed.
nah. 5 years, nah. Doesn't work.
It's already. No, it is working. It's not just a boat. Yeah, no, it is working.
Oh yeah. Wait, what?
Yeah, no, you could even see it in the shadows on the things. Look.
Oh, yeah.
So that Ferris wheel,
Yeah.
he's saying.
But it doesn't
kid-
actually work that much.
Oh,
My
well,
name's Anthony, by the way.
well, no, it is work. It's just that they made it go slow.
Yeah.
That's how Ferris
Because
wheels
before
are.
it, Ferris wheels go faster.
No, they don't.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, nah.
It depends. It depends.
It depends because, like, say this one, they made it go.
Some, like some countries make it go slower because they think it's not safe. for that.
Well, no, it's not because it's safe or anything. It's because of like they want it to be what's it called
And I don't think anyone's using it, so that's why.
No, there are people. I think.
I don't
I'm trying to
know.
look.
Yeah, look, there's a person right there.
Yeah, there are people in it. Well, the thing is, like, they make it
I
go.
might go on it after.
Yeah, well, the only reason they make it go slow is so you could like see the city
Yeah.
properly.
I think so you can like see the.
Can you see the Burj Khalifa from here?
Nah, I don't know.
I don't think
Man,
so.
I think we're too low.
I don't know. You can't see it.
Yeah, boost.
So yeah, this is like.
I think you can
the
see
place.
Burj Al Arab, I don't know. Where's the?
It's
Burj
in
Al
like.
Arab. Wait there, Burj Al Arab. See that
Oh,
one? Yeah, that one.
what that massive building? The one in the middle, was
That's
it?
No, that one, like that one that's like a bee, kind of.
A bee.
That one that's like kind of like a bee.
Oh, what like that? It's like.
Yeah. Like it's kind of like, yeah. Like that's, look, someone's going, people are on the just, look, that's a porch, a green
What?
porch.
A little Porsche.
Yeah.
A little green car.
It's a
like-
jet ski that's covered in a car.
Wait,
Yeah.
is there any kids on it? If there was kids, I would be going on it. No kids. Oh, that's my dad. Dad.
I don't think you can.
Nah, he can't hear us.
But
If he-
you know, that actually the Burj Al Arab is a Star Hotel. Did you ever know that?
7-star hotel.
You know, also in South, bro, they have a slide.
Yo.
So lucky.
We might have a slide too, but they just don't have it up yet. Oh my god! They had that in Spain.
Yeah.
See over there?
I went.
So see that like
I went-
inflatable thing?
I went on Spain on that.
I went to Spain once and they had it there.
Yeah. I
And
went to,
I might go on it again if it doesn't
You know,
too
actually,
much.
Burj Khalifa is not gonna be the tallest building because they're building another one in Saudi Arabia.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How tall is the tallest building? Do you know?
This one,
Mm-hmm.
I think like 1 kilometer long, like tall.
No, way bigger than 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is probably like from here to that red thing.
Yeah. And I think 1 kilometer is here to that black one. You know, one
Yeah,
time
probably.
when I was going like on the road.
No, it is half
You
right.
know, on that big black boat, I saw Phil Foden.
Who
I'm
did you
not
see?
joking. Phil Foden, yeah,
Phil Foden.
yeah, Phil Foden was on that big black boat.
What? Phil Foden?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Phil Foden, the Man City player from England. You know him?
Yeah. Let's see. Can we see any stars?
Oh, look, yeah, the wheel's kind of working.
There's not kind of.
Wait, the wheel's not actually working.
It is. Sometimes it might stop kind of to like see the like place or. I don't know. Sometimes it does stop to get people on it. But yeah, it's moving.
Look, it's moving now. Why does it work now?
So,
Where's the London Eye located?
Oh, there's multiple black
Wait,
boats
where's the
in
London Eye located?
In London. Where do you think? Oh no! The London Eye is located in Saudi Arabia.
No, like we're in England.
In London.
I'm joking.
Are you, bro?
I'm joking.
This kid doesn't. Well, okay.
I'm joking.
It's common sense, bro.
Yeah. That's why it's called the London Eye.
No kidding.
I think 1 kilometer is here to that white big black boat. Oh, that white. Bro, I thought this was a very big boat, but look at that one.
No, that's like a super yacht.
Yeah, I think people are on a lot of people are on it.
Yeah.
I think that's. No, there's actually one.
If there was more people, like loads more people on this, they would definitely be on. We would definitely be on one of those.
Yeah.
Imagine how many rooms there would be.
Yeah. I would take the top room at the top of the boat just in case it sinks or something. Oh, it's leaking.
Bruh. Wait, I just noticed. My mama's by there. Look at my dad. That's my dad. Look, he's dancing. Comment how good he's dancing from a scale from 1 to 10. Okay, and I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. I'm sorry.
Well, are you doing live or something?
No, you can't do live in Yeah, that's way better. Yeah, you can't say that.
Oh yeah, you can do live.
Yeah. You can't do lives here. I don't know why. You can't even video call.
Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why.
And if you do try, it just won't work.
Yeah.
It'll just say call not send. And they'll just.
I know. I think they have stuff. At least we're not in North Korea.
Oh, North Korea, you're not allowed any social media, bro.
Yeah. Not even TikTok.
YouTube, TikTok.
I don't want to eat.
Ooh, McDonald's. Time to eat some McDonald's. Okay, let's open
Uite,
this.
ăsta cred că e ăla.
Oh, it's kind of squished, the McDonald's box. Oh god, don't tell me this. Oh, hopefully I don't get seasick.
Which one's mine?
I gave you plates.
Which one's mine?
Yeah, you can put on the plate, but also
Which one's mine?
this one.
Oh my god, so, by the way,
Let's
this
see
is
how.
on like, my phone's on
Are
the
și el, o
table
să-i dea și lui.
and it's sliding.
What the?
Pune nuggets lângă.
Can you show my glasses?
Pune pe masă.
What's my toy?
Okay.
De ce vorbești cu accentul ăsta și cu figurile astea?
Glasses? Look here.
Where's my toy?
Whoa. It's a bit of a bumpy road. Or should I say bumpy sea?
Yeah.
Ketchup I want.
Wavy sea.
Okay, if I leave it there.
Wavy sea. Yeah, go to your mom and tell her where's your McDonald's.
I'm gonna go to my mom. I'm gonna go get some like water. One sec.
Where
Okay.
do you get a
This place is moving like
Uite și jucăria.
crazy.
Întrebai de jucărie.
Oh my
Wait, well, let me see what. Wait, can I see what it is?
Princess Peach. Come on.
Can I have one?
Dar nu știu dacă e. Lasă că merge și mai mare la McDonald's. Lasă, mami, că...
Mă duc să mă uit,
Nu,
dacă
nu,
e
lasă
pasă de
să
aia,
merg la
dacă...
McDonald's.
You want it?
Why is it? Because it's Princess Peach. Oh,
Yeah,
ask me for a sec. I want to see it. If I, no, yeah.
I don't want it. It's
I
Princess
should-
Peach.
If I honestly, what I want is Mario. If I get Mario,
Yeah, I have Mario home. Imagine the other
pink
Luigi.
gold car.
I have Mario at home.
Uite la mami.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Do you even have ketchup?
That's what he got. I don't have one yet.
Want ketchup?
I don't want that. You can have it. You want it?
No.
You want it? I don't want it. It's Princess Peach.
Oh. I just got some water.
Nu vrei să faci ție niște poze? Vreau și tu să ai niște poze. Să
Iar
facem
ketchup?
mai- Ia, ia, ketchup-ul ăsta.
Is that ketchup?
Yeah, ketchup.
I don't want.
Ah, cred că e chili. E
Oh,
spicy?
chili sauce.
Ia.
No spicy.
Nu? Nu.
No spicy.
What?
E ca chili sauce. Ia.
I don't want.
Ia să vedem cum e.
That looks like
Yeah,
chili.
so I'm having McDonald's.
Mhm, e bun, e sweet chili sauce.
Oh my god.
Ia să vezi, e sweet chili.
Oh, some chili.
E bun. Ia.
Bell.
I don't think chili is good.
After this, we're gonna head on down. Right down.
Down. We might sleep a Western day.
Might go down there, play some games. We're gonna get a pillow, throw it around past it.
Yeah. But we need to lock the doors just in case they come in.
Or lock them and just like close them.
But we might just need to somehow buckle our seatbelts because it might be bumpy.
You don't have to lock them.
Yeah, I know.
Facem o mâncare pe ea?
What if we bump our heads when we sleep?
And
It's
the only way to
pretty
bump your head is doing this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do that though.
We might just be like.
No, you're gonna do this.
Yeah, we might. What if we just sleep and then just do like this? Yeah.
But wait, what if I sleep up there and then I fall down after bunk bed? What?
What the? Princess Peach is broken.
How?
What happened to her crown board? There's a hole. Can you break it off? I don't think.
No, I'm supposed to be there.
Oh my god.
She said, if you do,
Will you actually get seasick?
Hmm?
Do you actually get seasick?
Well, I don't know because I don't go on yachts.
Oh, this is your first time?
No, not my first time, but
A pus ceva
Don't go
acolo, ăla
often.
cred că e picant, Anthony.
no, yeah.
Sweet
Yeah?
chili. It's sweet chili, but I don't like sweet chili.
Well, I like vegetable and
I never tasted sweet chili. I'm a taster. I don't. Yeah, it's good. I don't want it. Yeah.
I swear if I go into one of the
Sweet
rooms,
chili doesn't
And that
sound
rice
good
is
with
down there?
McDonald's.
Yeah.
We might go in one of the rooms and have a party. Yeah?
okay.
Sure.
But when I come to my
4 hours.
4 hours.
Mm.
Wow.
Why? You wanna go home?
No. And so I know, like,
He wants to sleep.
I don't want to sleep.
Sleep? There's a bed in there.
There's actually a lot of beds.
We'll definitely find games, and
Wait,
Maybe.
so we actually sleep.
yeah, and plus maybe This video will be 4 hours long.
Oh yeah. Oh.
If I sleep,
Shouldn't a normal video be like 22 minutes? I don't think anyone's gonna watch 4 hours unless they're on a yacht. Because why would anyone watch a 4-hour video? Like why?
I'm like a 10-year-old. Well, okay, I'm 11.
Hello.
What are you saying, bro?
Hey. If I do feel seasick, I'll just quickly run and go to the side of the ship.
Oh, you could just go in the bathroom, get the shower head and knock yourself out and sleep.
This kid is crazy. I just met him today too.
Shut up. No, my chicken nugget! Lol.
My chicken nugget fell on the floor.
Pick it up and throw in the go.
In the bin. Not garbage. Oh, we put
Oh,
these
yeah.
on here.
Now I wanna. No. Give me that. I wanna golden mushroom.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know I'm actually acting dumb.
Why?
I don't know. Should I stop? Should I stop acting dumb?
Yes.
Should I put it on my phone? Nah. Imagine I put it on my phone. Right? Do you watch Lion Road? I'm kind of seasick.
I'm kind of.
This is my first time on a. This is the
I kind
biggest
of
yacht
feel-
I ever went on, and my first time eating McDonald's
I
on a
kind
yacht.
of feel that it's time to party.
No, the music is upstairs, so
You can hear it from down here.
yeah. Yeah, because it's above us. It's kind of peaceful here.
Yeah.
Plus, like, I wouldn't live here because I would probably get seasick if I live here. And
Well,
it would
really,
be bumpy.
you just stay here for like one night only.
Yeah.
Really, so.
But you know, I feel like I'm gonna
Wait
get
a minute.
seasick. Like all the time when yeah, you can just put it back. You know bro, you know in America they give you Crocs.
Yeah, I got some at home.
What do you mean? You went to America?
No, I went to Romania.
You got them from there?
Yeah.
They give you Crocs in Romania.
Yeah,
Oh,
but they don't have them anymore.
Maybe I'll go to America. Wait.
Oh my god. This boat is moving so much.
But do you live at a hotel here?
Yeah, I'm staying at a hotel,
What
but
hotel?
I live in UK.
Yeah.
I'm only staying 10 days.
Which city? London?
Huh? Newport. No,
What?
no.
Which one?
It's like in Wales, Newport.
Ah. Party. Oh my god, my food.
Yeah. I might eat this last chicken nugget.
I
and go
might
downstairs.
get seasick. I might get seasick.
Yeah, so that's why I'm gonna go in like here, like lay down for a bit.
I'm fine.
Yo, this is actually comfy. I could sleep on this.
Nah, no.
I could so sleep on this.
Yeah. Nah.
I'm gonna go up here and see how it feels up here.
Yeah, I would probably sleep here. I have a fun time.
I'm gonna go up there one sec.
This is my first time on a video. And you
Really?
too. What?
Really?
Yeah. Good job. Whoa. That kind of looks like a small boat.
One sec. I'm gonna go up there now.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat.
Okay.
So, I got 2 chicken nuggets left. Hello. Hey! Hello. How are you doing? Yahoo! You know, one time I was on a. There was someone in America. He was like, there was like boy. I mean, there was a boy, 2 boys. He was British, and he was like, "How you mate?" And he, really, he's American actually. He has American accent, but he just replied in British. He's like, "It's a great, wonderful day out here," and he's like, "Wait, you're British too?" And he's like, and he just yeah.
It's just a video.
Yeah, he's like, yeah, I'm British. But then, you know what happened? He's like, where you from? He's like, I think of it in Manchester. And he's like, where? I'm from Manchester. And then he's like, the guy was fibbing, but maybe we'll go on a picnic someday. Imagine.
Hello, mister.
Nah.
Hello.
Hi. So, are you
We
driving?
are from Pakistan.
He's from Pakistan.
My name is Mohammed Yaqub. Here work yacht Obrai company. Our yacht 2-year work.
How long have you been working
Sorry.
here? How long have you been working here?
How many?
How long? No, how long have you been
2 years.
working?
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah, 2 years.
Wow. You've been working here for 2 years. That's a lot.
Majesty 66 is the
Yeah,
boat's
this is
name.
66. Bella Vista, this boat name.
Good name. Why do you have glass cups?
Wait. Oh my God! It's a compass.
And very nice
Oh
boat.
yeah, compass.
Who's driving the boat?
Your friend, someone.
It's probably his friend.
Oh,
Wait.
I don't think we can talk secret things upstairs. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll go. Okay. So let's go down now.
Yeah.
Da, și eu mă simțeam așa mai.
Yeah. I kind of feel seasick.
Yeah, let's go downstairs into the rooms.
I
Like
want to
just chill a sec. Just chill so we can like get the food down. Oh god. Wait, oh my god, look at that sunset. Oh, it's not even a sunset. Look at that.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, now sunset time.
Oh yeah.
You
So
are
yeah.
from?
I'm from UK. Well, I'm from Romania, but I live in the UK.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
I'm from Romania, but I live in what?
Good. Very nice.
I live in Dubai here.
Oh, Pakistan.
JVC accent.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be waiting for you in like. Whoa, okay. It's getting a bit choppy.
Oh, ce avem voi aici, bă, fraților? Bă, băieți, bă, aer condiționat, frumos, la bord. Ia uite, frate, nu mă parchez acum. Stați că acum eu sunt la volan, da? Deci conducem iahtul ăsta direct de la marșă. Ia-o, frate, ha? Băieți, se distrează, mănâncă.
Eu filmez.
Păi, ne-ați făcut în dormitor, să vă dați seama, la adevărăciune. Dați, vă arăt ceva.
Dormitor e
Unde?
Jos.
Ia, mai jos, gata. Dați, vă duc la dormitor.
Uh-huh.
Dar ăla cel mai mare e drept.
Ia, mă, la dormitor.
Okay, so I'm gonna get off this for a sec. Okay, don't stand up. Don't stand up. Do not. Nope, don't stand up.
Să aduc cartea să colorezi?
Da. Ia că să...
Hai stai acum, nu mai umbla pe jos pe aici, că
Eu
e
ies.
periculos.
Noi acum ieșim. De aici.
Let's go in the bedroom.
Yo, guys, I got a challenge. So we're gonna have to stay stand up and try stand up. Last one standing wins. Yeah? Should I do that?
Yeah, come on.
Okay. But first, let's get out.
Lasă mami, colorează tu, că e acolo fac altceva.
Oh.
Oh my god, it's freezing. Mai târziu mergem acolo, în bedroom, bine?
Okay, so where should we film this? Should we do it downstairs or up here? Whoa!
Chicken nugget, bro.
Oh God! Okay. Okay, come by here. Okay, let's put this by here.
Mai stăm aici.
Okay. Come by here.
Just in case. A glass. Oh.
Okay.
Wait, this is kind of. It doesn't look that good. Mario. Super Mario.
We need to do challenges. So first challenge, you need to jump up.
No, I don't think we're allowed to.
Oh what?
We've a few.
No, I got one that will make us fall definitely. Spin around 10 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I almost spent.
Oh my god, wait.
Almost. I didn't. That doesn't count.
No.
I didn't actually.
Oh, please.
I do the grading.
We're not kidding here. This is actually happening.
Yeah. You might move also, by the way.
Oh, one sec. Oh,
You might move. Oh my god. The thing's moving. I'm like this.
Hey.
Oh my god.
Come up here. No. Switching.
See? Hold on.
Where's
We
that?
go in the bedroom and sleep.
Oh god. Let's try go on the bed.
This is kind of cool.
Let's try go in the bed. See.
Ne mergem în papile.
Okay, hold on.
Mergem
Tight.
în papile. Come on. Oh my god.
Față matrimonial.
Cheaters.
Ce faci, mă? Știi română sau nu știi?
Știe.
Știu și engleză.
What?